Most people don't realize this, but the moment someone begins to pull you away from yourself, your body notices first. Your pulse shifts, your breath tightens, your intuition whispers, something's off. What you've been navigating isn't just emotional, it's somatic. Your system has been adapting, bracing, shrinking, trying to make sense of mixed signals and manipulation. But here's the truth no one teaches. You can retrain your body to choose you again, to trust again, to rise again. That's why I created Combating Narcissism, Fight Fire with Boundaries, Clarity, and Strength, a trauma-informed somatic-rooted course designed to help you break free from cycles of confusion, gaslighting, emotional chaos, and self-doubt. Not through fear, not through overthinking, through embodiment. Inside, you'll learn how to identify both obvious and subtle patterns of manipulation, why your body reacts before your mind does, and how to regulate it. Somatic tools to release internalized fear and hypervigilance, evidence-based boundary-setting framework, how to restore your sense of identity and internal clarity, nervous system practices for grounding strength and safety, how to step back into your life with confidence and power. This isn't a course about labeling anyone. This is a course about coming home to you. Because healing isn't just mental, it's physical, intuitive, ancestral. Your body remembers who you were before you learned to dim your light for someone who couldn't hold it. If you're tired of confusion, the exhaustion, the walking on eggshells feel, if your gut knows it's time for something different, this is your moment. A return to wholeness,